Welcome to our project submission on using supply chain tokens to support the reduction of emissions by the oil and gas industry. A global problem where more than $50 billion of natural gas is wasted through methane flaring, venting, and leakage. Our solution targets driving climate action from different actors, from oil and gas companies, regulators, consumer demand segments, ESG investors, and sustainable or green finance. This includes providing tools to power the measurement economy for emission reductions, creating an efficient marketplace for environmental data, from data pooling and emission verification to issuing digital assets. Oil and gas emissions data portal uses Web 3.0 technology to help connect agents of the measurement economy, using client-side wallets to securely submit transactions. Account administrators can manage roles assigned to users in the platform. For example, registering as a consumer, an industry member, certificate dealer, or emission auditor. Users are provided with a list of oil and gas producers, the assets they operate, and emission performance certificates issued to them. 3 have been requested for Chevron, are issued using data points from a variety of sources. In this case, from a 2022 oil and gas benchmarking report by sustainability.com. Performance certificates consist of multiple tokens for the amount of production of natural gas and oil associated with methane vented, flared, and other fugitive emissions. In 2020, 60,000 metric tons of CO2 equivalent from flaring operations. Another auditor may look to compare to other data sources. In this case, asset level data from a satellite provider, nighttime flaring detection tool. A user can compare against aggregate totals. User can request an additional audit. The system has calculated 145,000 tons, more than double what was reported. Users can also request audits using multiple data points from a given source. Auditors can access the net emission token network and process pending requests, including the 2 we just submitted. Auditors can then compare the kilograms of CO2 against the US average upstream emissions in 2020. The auditor verifies a requested certificate. A user can then view certificates. Token holders can then transfer products, tracking embodied emissions through a supply chain, or to participate in voluntary markets for things like responsibly sourced gas. Certificates can also be transferred to other agents in the measurement economy, like ESG investors, to comply with the reporting requirements.